Hello, good evening, friends. Welcome back to my cozy space, Little Things Daily. Today, I'm going to share just a small part of the daily rhythm, putting utensils back in place after they are washed. It's quite repetitive and oddly satisfying. Little routines that make my rented house feel like home. These simple grounding routines have their own kind of calm, isn't it? Evenings always remind me of home, the kind where my ma would start winding down the kitchen right after sunset. She would move quietly, wiping counters, closing jars, tucking things in like she was putting the kitchen to sleep. I would quietly sit nearby listening to her stories of her childhood or maybe how she spent the day while I was at school. And now, years later, as I move things around, cleaning and reorganizing my own kitchen, it feels like a quiet memory unfolding again. The day ends and the home exhales. Sometimes, after a long, tiring work day, I often find myself just casually standing quietly and thinking of my parents. Only now do I realize how much our parents did silently without even ever calling it tiredness. Now I was craving a quick evening snack, something light and easy. So I made bhaja muri. My mother would always make this when I craved something crispy in the evening. Thought I would share the recipe with you all. It's simple, quick, and so satisfying. Quick recipe here I have only added red guntur chili, some roasted peanuts and grams, muri that is puffed rice, mustard oil. My mother always adds garlic and kalo jeera which is kalonji as well. I don't have either of this now with me so I skipped. You all please add it. It tastes very good. Added some chanachur or mixture and now it's ready to serve. For dinner, I was craving something South Indian, so just wanted to have dosa and that spicy chutney. So I went to the nearest Andhra Bhavan near my flat. There, I ordered a ghee plain dosa along with sambar, coconut chutney, and that peanut chutney which they serve. After dosa, I had some jigar tanda. Jigar tanda is a Madurai special drink which is made out of milk. It's a very famous and refreshing cold drink from Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Tastes really cool and creamy. That's all. That's how I ended my day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy vlogs and everyday stories. Till then, bye.